Meanwhile, one very important thing is the pH of our hair conditioner. Obviously, the hair has to also mimic, or rather mimics, the acidic level of the skin as well. So therefore the hair strives better in an acidic situation, right? Okay, here we have about 6. Now I'm going to step it up a little bit. Yes, this is 6. I'm going to step it up a little bit to at least to 5. Do you get it's although it's a wash off, it's a rinse off hair conditioner, but it's still advisable for it to be at a stable pH, or a good pH, let me say, of at least 4.5 to 5. You understand? So I'm going to add a purifying solution of 50% of citric acid and water, so as to boost up the pH. So when you're adding a buffering solution, just little by little, because you don't want to overdo it, right? Meanwhile, I just prepared this buffering solution yesterday, so it's obviously active. Mixing it in and just giving it time to step up the pH. So I'm going to check again. Also, vice versa, if you want to increase the pH of your products, just the way I use the citric to reduce, as we will also act upon it. You understand? It's still on 6, so I'm still going to add more. Just slightly, still on 6. I'm going to add more. At least since it's taking this much time, so at least I now know what I'm working with. Let me know, I'm very interested about this wash away conditioner, slash deep conditioner. The fact that it has garlic oil in it. Yes, that's one of the best parts. And I work mostly with unrefined oils. If you know me, you know that I'm a local person. I feel that all the time. I prefer working with, in the case where I work with refined products, it's only when I can't find unrefined, so I just work with the refined ones. Otherwise, I feel as a natural skin and hair formulator, I prefer to work with much credible, like, even the unrefined is actually credible, but like, when something is refined and unrefined, there are two different things, and you get two different results in it, right? Right here we're still on 6, so I'm still gonna step up on the citric again. Adjusting pH on its own, it's a whole lot of job. You have to just be careful. So the fact now that I know the pH is kind of high, so another thing again that will make the pH level of your product to be kind of high is the EDTA. There's something called so I'm going to check the pH again. Yeah, This is how to balance the pH of my. Okay, at this point we have successfully still going in again. Yay! I think right now we got it to the pH we want to have it on. Yes. Can you see? Now it's on the pH of 5. Yeah, obviously 5. So at this point I'm going to check my temperature because I've not added my preservative yet, and I've not added my lemon and garlic oil. This is so divine. If you're a garlic lover, this combination is what I substitute for fragrance, because I don't use fragrance in my products. So this is the combination of garlic and lemon oil. Oh my god, the scent is something else. So I'm going to check the pH first. Sorry, not pH. The temperature. Sorry, my mouth has gotten stuck to pH. Okay, right, and temperature is on 40 degrees, about 39 degrees Celsius. Yeah, about 39 degrees Celsius, which is okay for us to add our oils and then our preservative eventually. So that's it. That's it. At the end, I'll still check the pH, even though oils do not have pH yet. So it's not going to temper with the pH of my product, but just for clarity and double checking standard, that kind of thing. Still check. Thick, obviously. Now this is my preservative going in. Now one very important thing I don't tend to ignore is mixing your preservative properly. So we tell you their products brought out more. Honestly, I keep still wondering why. Either your preservative is not credible enough, or you didn't mix it in properly, or you added it at a wrong temperature, or your preservative might not be a broad spectrum preservative, so many things. But one thing I decided to dedicate my time to studying properly was preservative, honestly, because I feel preservative is the body, very, very important in our formulations, because when your products go bad, then that will be lost. And to be honest with you, I'm here based in Nigeria. These products are way expensive. Trust me when I tell you they're expensive. So you wouldn't want your product, your hard-earned money, to just go down the drain. So when it gets cold, for now it's still hot. So when it gets cold, this is my packaging of my wash away conditioner. Deep conditioning the hair is something very, very important here. Now when it gets thick, this is how it's going to look like. You see, this is how it's going to look like. So it's very good for deep conditioning of the hair. Yes, and our hair needs a lot of moisture. That's the thing. That's the anti-breakage and the secret to growing a healthy, luscious hair. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much returning subscribers, new subscribers. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and see you in another video. Bye.